Lately, more people are using ChatGPT and AI. You often hear claims that AI can do anything, whether in school or at work. But in reality, there are people like this. They use AI, yet somehow their work doesn't get done faster. In fact, they spend time fixing the AI's answers. Meanwhile, others use AI to double or triple their work speed. Why such a difference with the same AI? The difference isn't actually in the AI's performance. The difference lies in the form of the question. Are you maximizing the AI's capabilities? Do you know how to communicate effectively with AI? To communicate correctly with AI and maximize its capabilities, now let's say we ask the AI this question. Come up with ideas for the school festival. The AI then gives this answer: crepe stand, haunted house, game corner, dance stage, photo booth. At first glance, it seems fine, but think about it carefully. How many people? What's the budget? What's the time frame? Where will it be held? Without these details, most of these ideas are likely unusable, right? In other words, the AI didn't just give a random answer. The question itself was simply too vague. It simply derived and provided an answer based on the question it was given. To get a suitable answer, you need to ask a question that can elicit a suitable answer.
Have you ever tried getting a prompt collection to master AI? Let me tell you the answer up front. Simply copying prompts won't unlock an AI's full potential. People who truly master AI don't know any special tricks. They don't have a prompt collection that gives them the answers. In fact, they do something much simpler. They organize the problem. It's the same when asking a teacher at school, a junior colleague at work, or a friend at play. Instead of saying, "I don't understand math," saying, "I don't understand how to use the quadratic formula." Specifically, "Please explain what it means when the discriminant is negative," allows the teacher to answer immediately. Furthermore, if you ask, "I don't understand this problem. X squared minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. When I use the quadratic formula, the discriminant becomes negative. How should I interpret this?" This will likely yield a more precise answer. Similarly, when asking a junior colleague at work, instead of saying, "I don't understand this system," say, "I want to import a CSV into the customer management system, but I'm getting an error. Function used, bulk customer registration, error message, email address format error. CSV created in Excel. Do you know the cause?" This will get you a more precise answer. Similarly, when asking a colleague about travel plans, instead of saying, "What should we do about the trip?" say, "I'm thinking of going on a trip during next month's 3-day weekend. Conditions: departing from Tokyo, 2 nights, 3 days, budget around 50,000 yen, somewhere with hot springs. Any recommendations?" This will get you better advice. AI works the same way. AI answers more accurately when questions are well organized. To maximize AI's potential, you need an AI abstraction and structuring framework. It's not difficult. I'll explain it now. When using AI, you only need to do 3 things: break it down, structure it, validate it. Just these steps alone will dramatically improve the quality of AI's answers. You might not be able to try these 3 words right away. I'll make them practical for real-world use. Let's go through them step by step.
First, start with breaking it down. Divide a big problem into smaller parts. For example, with a cultural festival booth, what's the goal? Is it sales or fun? What are the constraints? What's the budget? How many people? What are the options? Food? Games? Exhibits? Essentially, you identify and break down what's needed to run the booth correctly and smoothly. Breaking problems down like this makes it easier for AI to understand the situation. Essentially, you're also providing information that helps it give answers closer to the proposals you seek. In a good way, you're stopping unnecessary thinking. You can have it skip expensive proposals when there's no budget, clarify goals if there are any, and communicate constraints like not being able to serve food or drinks.
Next is the structure. Organize your questions for the AI and submit them. For example, you are in charge of planning for the school festival. The goal is to increase sales. The conditions are a budget of 5,000 yen and a team of 5 people. Output: please provide 3 proposals in a table format for easy comparison. By doing this, the AI's response will likely provide suggestions very close to what you want. You can also ask for multiple proposals and answers. This allows you to compare and evaluate several options. You can also instruct it to present the comparison in a table format for easier evaluation.
Finally, verification. AI is very smart, but it's not perfect. So we'll check just 3 things. Are the conditions being followed? Are there any contradictions? Are the reasons explained? Just this can prevent a lot of AI mistakes. Common issues with AI include forgetting part of the conditions, getting the priority wrong, ignoring constraints, character count, not too detailed, not too simple, format, easy to read format like SOW, target audience, understandable to anyone, e.g., understandable even to children, purpose, for explaining cultural festival exhibits to school staff, etc. To verify the conditions, check the following. Please check if the following conditions are met. Conditions: within 500 characters, beginner-friendly, includes 3 examples. Next, contradictions. AI often makes mistakes like saying different things in the first and second half, changing numerical values, shifting logic. For example, first half, the AI market is growing rapidly. Second half, the AI market is not growing, etc. To verify for contradictions, check the following points. Check the following aspects: logical contradictions, numerical inconsistencies, discrepancies between conclusions and explanations. Finally, reasons. Answers without reasons become mere opinions. Reliable explanations always include evidence, data, logic. To verify reasons, check and validate as follows. Explain the reasons for reaching this conclusion from the perspectives of logic, data, specific examples. The first question was, come up with ideas for the cultural festival. But when organized, it becomes this. Budget, 5,000 yen. Number of people, 5. Aim for sales. Then the AI will give specific ideas. For example, selling popcorn. Material cost, 3,000 yen. Expected profit, 4,000 yen. This way, it becomes a realistic idea. Sometimes you want appropriate sentences for dialogue, narration, papers, or other writing. In those cases, let them choose the sentence structure. Preface the prompt with "Provide an appropriate sentence framework for" before requesting a response. Also, if the AI itself hasn't figured out how to break things down, let it honestly admit it doesn't know. In such cases, try confirming. If you don't know, tell me how you don't know. Alternatively, you could ask, "Tell me how I can understand this." By answering these questions from the AI, you can get more accurate responses.
What's needed in the AI era isn't operating AI. What matters is the ability to organize, break down problems, build structures, verify answers. Those who can do these 3 things truly master AI. Only then can it become a weapon. Still, sometimes the answers just don't feel quite right or seem incomplete. In those cases, keep asking why to get to the core. Try confirming it like this. For the answer you receive, dig deeper by asking why 3 times and reconsider. AI can sometimes think shallowly, not consciously but unconsciously. When you sense this, dig deeper by asking why 3 times and reconsider. Also try asking for additional explanations. It's a tool for thinkers. The more organized you are, the stronger AI becomes. No need to hold back with AI. You can even have AI generate its own prompts. Furthermore, if you want to leverage AI even more, Try asking this question: how should I instruct you to get the best answer? Then give that instruction. This approach also works. This idea is a 70. Aim for 100 and rethink it. Set a scoring standard to drive further self-improvement.
Let's accept questions from AI and engage in dialogue to achieve the best possible results. Then, by asking AI, please ask if you need any additional information. We can train it to become accustomed to thinking. Don't settle for satisfaction at first glance. Keep listening until you're satisfied, and nurture it into an AI you can truly use. For those unfamiliar, AI adapts to become a personalized tool based on how you approach it. Remember Tamagotchi, the toy you raised from an egg? AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, registered and used by you, can be nurtured just like Tamagotchi, tailored specifically for you. To achieve this, you must communicate who you are through dialogue until it fully understands. If there are parts you are unsure about or can't recall, rewind and review them. If necessary, you might even watch this video daily before using the AI until it sticks in your mind. Find a way to coexist with AI that suits you, like listening to it during your morning commute or school trip before starting your day with the AI.